Hi, good morning. We are at the end of the completion of the syllabus. We are in nucleus chapter and semiconductors. Only two chapters pending. All the remaining chapters are completed now in second year. Second book, ray optics, wave optics, dual nature of radiation, atom completed. Now nucleus and semiconductor devices. Two chapters only pending. So we are going to discuss about nucleus, and we know nucleus is a massive part inside the atom. Actually, there is an atom. Atom is the smallest part, indivisible part, and in that massive part is nucleus. So some massive part is inside the atom, that is called nucleus. Okay, that means the total mass is concentrated at one part of the new atom, that is called nucleus. Actually, size of atom measured in angstrom units. 1 angstrom means 10 power minus 10 meters. And the size of nucleus is very small. So that is measured in Fermi. Fermi means 1 Fermi is equal to 10 power minus 15 meter. 1 Fermi ante 10 power minus 15 meter. Angstrom means 10 power minus 10 meter. Size of atom measured in angstrom units, and the size of the nucleus measured in Fermi. Okay. Uh, what are inside? What is inside atom? Inside atom we have nucleus and electrons. Nucleus is massive part, and electrons are very lighter particles revolving around the nucleus. That concepts already in atomic structure. What is inside nucleus again? So inside nucleus we have protons and neutrons, and the total number of protons inside the nucleus is equal to total number of electrons revolving around the nucleus. That protons number inside the nucleus or revolving electrons number around the nucleus is called atomic number Z. Atomic number is represented by Z. Number of protons inside the nucleus or number of electrons revolving around the nucleus in an atom is called atomic number. It is represented by the letter Z. Atomic number Z. Okay. Next, the total number of protons and neutrons inside the nucleus is called mass number. The total number of protons and neutrons inside the nucleus is called mass number. That is represented by the letter A. Mass number, protons and neutrons. And both protons and neutrons are called nucleons. Number of nucleons means both protons and neutrons inside the nucleus is called nucleons. Atomic number means only protons, and R number of electrons revolving around the nucleus is called atomic number, and the total number of protons and neutrons inside the nucleus is called mass number represented by A. Any atom represented like this: X, Z, A. X, Z, A. Any atom is represented like this. Any atom X. So it has atomic number Z and mass number A. So atomic number is number of protons inside the nucleus or number of electrons revolving around the nucleus. Mass number means both protons and neutrons inside the nucleus. Therefore, if you want number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Therefore, number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. For example, if you take uranium 92 235, calculate number of neutrons in uranium 92 235. Therefore, number of neutrons in uranium 235 or 230 number of neutrons is equal to 235 minus 92. So that is 143. Number of neutrons are 143. Okay. So that is number of neutrons inside uranium nucleus. Suppose carbon 6, 12. The number of neutrons are 12 minus 6. 6 neutrons are there. A minus Z, number of neutrons. Okay. And we have to discuss about the characteristics of the nucleus. So first one, what about charge of the nucleus? Nucleus having positive charge, because inside nucleus protons, neutrons are there. Neutrons having no charge, only protons having charge. Hence the nucleus having positive charge. Electrons already you know, electrons having negative charge. And the number of protons, number of electrons equal. Hence total charge of an atom is 0. Net charge of atom. Atom is neutrally charged. Inside atom, negative charges are there, positive charges are there. So total charge is 0. Neutrons are neutrally charged particle. They discovered by Chadwick. Neutron discovered by Chadwick, and it is a neutrally charged particle, and mass of neutron approximately equal to mass of proton, but mass of electron very very less. I think in lower classes or in chemistry you know very well. What about mass of the electron and mass of neutron? Mass of electron is 1 by 1837. 18